for the birds to come this way.
Okay, I'm recording right now. Okay, so this is Russell Steele.
When I go like this,
doing an adventure on feeding seagulls.
Oh
Let's
my
see
gosh.
what's gonna happen. Here's everyone's reaction. I mean, everyone.
Yeah, Russell, turn your phone on too.
This is before. This is
You have to bring it
This is
here.
before it actually happens. Okay. Oh, and a piece of hair.
How about this? I'll just get
Come on, you guys. Come on.
Let's get to
It's
it.
probably the stupidest thing
You have
we've
to
ever
get some
done.
too.
Except peeing in the
Russell, you
Russell,
have
have
to have
fun.
some too.
You
I got
guys
some too.
stay safe.
Okay, bring him here.
I'm back now.
Let me go in the front seat.
They need to be able to get in.
Oh no, they're coming.
They're coming! No, close the window!
Roll down the window, then you can see.
They're like hovering.
Did you even throw it?
Give me the bag!
There's the flock of seagulls. There's Albert.
Just run!
Wow. They're so Oh, there's birds right here.
You gotta get the first.
I'm gonna.
Get the
Watch him get attacked.
Hurry, go! They're coming!
Look at all those birds.
Close the door! Close the door!
I can't because he's in the way.
Russell, get in the front seat!
Are you recording them too?
Yeah!
Right there!
Give me one more.
No more, because they're coming. Look, they're right there.
Wait, give me that.
Are you gonna stick it out the window?
Yeah.
They're like following us.
Give me more.
Oh my god.
Look at those flocks of
Go
seagulls.
slow.
More.
Look at that guy with his face.
Not really. The birds are eating it. Pull up. I wouldn't mind.
God, they're attacking us.
Okay, now you can stop.
I know.
They're just gonna keep coming.
Ah, they're all around us.
Precisely.
Russell, how was your adventure?
Crazy.
Yeah, that's Albert too.
Albert, how was your adventure? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's
Thank
the
you
end.
thank you for watching our seagull feeding.
Okay.
Yeah.
And goodbye.
Sorry we wasted so much food.